everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about air dry clays. I'm going to make my own air dry clay. I have seen people making air dry clays with glue, with paper, but honestly I never believed in the recipe. I was not sure if it really works or not unless I made myself one, and it just worked perfectly. And also, to check the efficiency of the clay, I made myself some little stuff like this strawberry plate, and these are just perfect. You can make anything with this simple ingredients. So let's go and check out the recipe, and before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also press that bell icon. So let's get started.
At first, place a plastic cover so that it can protect your table. Then take a pan. You need something to measure. I'm taking this bowl. Then we need corn flour, any white glue, some oil. I'm using baby oil just for the smell, and a white acrylic color. Also, I forget to mention vinegar here, so collect that too. First, add 1 cup of corn flour to the pan. Then add glue with the same measurement. This can be any white glue or PVA glue. I'm using Fevicol here. Mix them together very well and make sure there won't be any lumps left. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, or you can use lemon juice instead, so that you can store your clay for a longer time. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use vegetable oil also. Mix them together very nicely. And lastly, add a tablespoon of white acrylic color. Without this, the clay will turn transparent, or it might get a very faded color. Now it's time to take your pan over to the flame and cook it with a low heat and move the mixture constantly. When the clay started leaving the sides like this, that means the clay is almost ready and it's time for kneading. Take out the clay from the pan and started kneading, and before that, place a little bit of oil on the surface. The clay will be little hot, but you still have to do it anyway. Also, you add corn flour if it's too loose or add glue if it's too dry and make the clay smooth. The more you knead, the clay will get more flexible and smooth. And at last, just apply a little bit of oil on top of the clay and take a Ziploc pouch like this. And make sure to take out all the air from the packet. And just store the clay like this whenever you have to store it. As I mentioned, I have made some small stuff with the clay, like this plate. The clay works perfectly. This plate is perfect to store some little stuff. I also made some miniature items like this. I don't know what to name it. I just felt it will look cute. And that's all for today's video.
Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and wait till my next video. I will definitely make something using the same clay, and till then, take care and bye bye.